Looking forward for a project which is going to make you stand out among your friends? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Tales by Kashish. I hope you all are doing great. I know it's been a while that we haven't uploaded anything related to tech, but now we are back with something which may surely help you. We are here with 7 technical projects which are going to help you. For all the people who are in college, or maybe the people who are freshers or who have recently completed their degrees, can definitely refer to this video. Today, if you are a beginner, then this is for you. No worries. And if you are somebody who don't know from where to start, then again it is for you. And even if you know nothing, then again this video is for you. So let's begin this video without wasting any time. Okay, so let's talk about our first project, that is expense tracker. For example, you want to track that how much money you have spent on food or maybe clothes or maybe on your partner. Then you can make this application. Now you'll be asking that for this simple purpose, why to make an application? Consider that entire world is making money and spending money, right? And if your application have a feature which is going to do something different for them, then maybe your application will stand out, right? For example, I had my this in my resume, and what I added as a part of it was an AI which is going to tell me about my previous expenses, and it used to give some basic suggestions that how I can reduce my expenditures. Okay, so I named that AI as AI Mitra. Okay, so this was something I added on top of a basic expense tracker. Now I also had something which was a visualization in that. I added few charts, pie charts, as well as some tables for the sake of knowing that how much I've spent on which portion. Correct. So like this, if you have something more interesting or unique in your brains which can collide with this, which can be collaborated with this, you can use that. So I believe that this is something you can make. Plus there are companies which may need their own expense monitoring systems. There it may help, so you can consider this application. Okay, now the another one is cap pooling system. This is one of the projects which was suggested to me by my senior who is currently serving in fintech company. Now think of it as an Ola or Uber for your own firm or college. For example, there are people who are living in hostels and they want to carpool or they want to bike pool, right? Because in colleges we need to go budget friendly, but security is also a part of it. So cab, but we can pool it. Like some people want to go to a same place or some nearby place, they can pool a car. So like that you can make an application. This application is not something very sober or easy to make, but you can go step by step. Like there will be a lot of learning that how you are going to use maps, and like how you are going to check for that request response system. That is a different thing altogether, but by taking the help from AI or from your friends, like you are going to make some group projects, there you can use your knowledge, and this is again a very good project, I would say. Okay, now what is the use of doing that? Company, a firm can have their own like application, and they don't have to rely upon some third party application, and the data can be synced. Now third application, which is AI based attendance system. Now this is a very basic application. It is something, it doesn't take more of an unique idea. It just requires some ML models, some backend integration, some data management, because they need to identify your identity using your face and expressions. But if you make a very, secure, authenticated AI attendance system, and if you propose this idea to your college, and if they agreed to start using your application instead of using a fingerprint biometrics, then what you can say or mention in your resume that currently, for example, if college have 2000 or 3000 people, so you can explicitly mention that 3000 people are using your application and it is working very smoothly, right? So there you can make yourself stand out. So this is good in terms of you can get an audience for that. So you can use it and you will get a chance to directly sit for an interview after having a project which is working smoothly in real world. Okay. Now, next project is blockchain voting system. Now, this is again something I have put into this slide because of one suggestion from my friend. He is very much into blockchain and he have a very vast knowledge of it. And this is also a very booming field, I would say. So, because of that, I have mentioned this blockchain voting system. I know I know very less of it, but the thing is, if you enter blockchain for once, there is no going back. You can explore cryptocurrencies things and smart contracts. These are something which really works in financial stuff. If we you will enter like firms like geo platforms, like one of the big companies, they do have um, openings for blockchain developer, and this will bring a space for you to enter firms like that. Okay, so you can explore blockchain projects. Blockchain voting system is something I came up with, but you can explore other projects also. This is an idea for this specific slide only. This is just an idea which you can explore. Okay, next, real time analytics dashboard. Now, what is this? When you are monitoring real weather, what is happening in stocks, there is a real dashboard, right? And there are times when you are checking out in task manager that what your CPU is doing right now, its task it is monitoring or analyzing. Those type of dashboards I'm talking about here. Now you'll be saying that there are already so many dashboards. Why do we want to do that? See, first of all, there will be a learning that how these dashboards are made, how telemetry data is being processed, right? That is one thing. Another thing is, if again you have some unique pinpoints which you can add in this, it can be very simple, but maybe it is not existing in the currently using dashboards. So if you have an idea and you collaborated your idea with currently using dashboards, there are chances that some company may want to adopt that, right? Companies like Netflix or some stock companies do use these type of real-time analysis. So it is again one of the good projects. Okay. Next, cybersecurity threat detection tool. Now we know that nowadays data is increasing exponentially, right? And if there is something a bigger term of exponential, then with that speed it is getting increased. But you know what is getting increased proportional to it? Security, because nobody wants their data to be leaked, right? So when we come to cybersecurity, it itself covers a very big domain. So if you uh, detect the anomalies which is happening in the system, or some root cause analysis, or other terms also which are there in cybersecurity, if you learn about that and you make a tool which may detect any anomaly, any unusual stuff in the system or the application, then it is again a very good stream, because cybersecurity is something which will never go out of market, because security will always be a huge factor no matter what. So this is again a very good project to be mentioned in your resume, because it will surely make you stand out, because yes, everybody wants security, and if you are a pro version of it, and even if you start today, you can not excel, but I would say reach to a very good level in 6 months, and I guess it's not a bad deal, right? So you can again refer to this project. Now the next one, it's something I am getting into nowadays. Previously, I was into development and stuff. Now I have started being into machine learning things, and this is recommended for each and every one of you. You may pick another projects, but I would recommend you to learn machine learning parallel, because in upcoming times you are going to deal with LLMs, models, AI. We are already into AI, but again, then you'll be able to make your own models. You are going to learn about transformers, how they are working, how a machine is getting to learn about certain things, how semantics work, how RAG work. That is a different world altogether. Like, I seriously love this part. That's why I've kept it at the last, so that I can mention it explicitly that this is something you should definitely do. There are several standard projects which are running, like CNN image analysis or image classifier, fake news detector, AI chatbots. Now you will say that there is already so many AI chatbots. Why to make one more? So you can train your chatbot based on your use case. For example, you want your chatbot just for your college and just for the data of college. There you can definitely use this. Okay. So this is something you should definitely learn. There is a huge career in this field, because people keep on saying अरे यार career खत्म हो जाएगा क्या, AI आ गया है ये. No, the people who are actually making the models behind the AI, that can never be out of market, because by the time हमें और एडवांसमेंट्स करनी होगी, तो उसके लिए इंजीनियर्स लगेंगे. सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक ऑल टुगेदर, बट आई वुड से जस्ट डू कंसीडर to learn machine learning parallel. So yeah, these are some of the projects I wanted to mention, and this will surely help you guys to stand out and to make your resume stand out. So if, oh, before that, this is something like I have tried to put some basic tech stacks which is required for each project type. So you can refer to this. I will put the slides in the comment section, uh, in the description box, sorry, and you may refer to this. But if you want me to make a detailed video on prerequisites part or some detailed version of how things work, you can ping me in the comment section. I will surely look into it. Or if you have any other doubt related to this whole project thing, I would love to help you guys. So, yeah, I was off track, but I'm back now. So you can ping me and I will try to help you guys with that. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubt, again, put in the comment section, and have a very wonderful and techy day. Bye bye.